looking at 15, we can see the relationship again. Looking at our base triangle, I reoriented it again to match the face or the way that these are orientated. And I'm seeing here that 4 square root of 6 is equal to x square root of 3. So let's write that equation. So we've got x square root of 3 is equal to 4 square root of 6. Well, again, solving for x, if I divide both sides of the equation by the square root of 3, this turns into this turns into 1. Right? So now I've got x times 1, and 1 times x is just x. Here I've got 4, and this is actually the square root of 6 over the square root of 3. This turns into 4 square root of 6 over 3. So x is going to be 4 times the square root of 2. So this is 4 square root of 2. 4 square root of 2. And if I double that, so if I multiply both sides of the equation by 2, I get 2x is equal to 8 square root of 2. And that's would be alongside here, 8 square root of 2. Alright? So that's the work for number 15 right there. Okay? Going to 16. So here I have 13.6. And alright, so if I look at my general equation, or my general triangle here, I've got 2x is equal to 13.6. 2x equals 13.6. So if I divide both sides by 2, right, so if I go 13.6 divided by 2, I wind up getting 6.8. So x is equal to 6.8, and that's what this length would be right here, 6.8. So this is simply going to be 6.8 times the square root of 3, and we're done with 16. Looking at 17, here we see that the short side is 13.6. So if I double that, that's going to be 27.2. Right? If I take and multiply that by 2, 2 times 13.6 is going to give me 27.2. So that would be the long side, and this is simply going to be 13.6 times the square root of 3. So there we go, 15, 16, and 17.